It's almost like crocheters have our own holiday. Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today for Granny Square Day. If you have no idea what Granny Square Day is, don't worry, I'm about to explain the whole history behind it. And if you do know what Granny Square Day is, then you're really excited, just like me. It's almost like crocheters have our own holiday. We don't get off work and we don't get extra money and nobody gets to take the day off, but it's still very exciting because it's really something that only crocheters can have, because even knitters don't have this. The Granny Square is completely a crocheter's world. So, how did it all begin? How did we even get Granny Square Day? In 2014, Susan Regalia saw that Instagram laid out its framework like a grid, and she used it like a patchwork quilt, and she posted one square each day to make almost a digital blanket, which is so cool. As she was posting daily, this started to get people's attention. More and more creators saw this and thought it was really exciting, and then it got the attention of a magazine. Simply Crochet magazine, to be precise, one of my favorite publications. And they decided, well, we can host a digital blanket for the entire world. So what you do now is you use the hashtag that they give you every year, which is usually like Granny Square Day 2026 or whatever, and you submit a photo of your Granny Square, and then they add it to their page, and it becomes this big, beautiful digital blanket. So it's a lot of fun. How did it exactly get started on August 15th? I don't think anyone really knows. But it's a big deal in the crochet community, and I really like it. I love participating every year. So have you ever heard of Granny Square Day before? Did you know it was a thing? I hope you did, because it's a lot of fun. Please check out Simply Crochet on Instagram so you can see everybody's gorgeous blanket. There's so many things you can do with Granny Squares. You can make clothing, you can make accessories, you can just make them into a beautiful blanket. You can use them with different fandoms. You can use them to represent different like sports teams. You can do so much with a Granny Square. It's a very versatile little thing. There have been so many books and patterns and ideas. It's just really exciting. So my favorite issue of Simply Crochet magazine every year is the Granny Square issue. This is not the Granny Square issue. I just picked up one of my random ones from my collection, but the Granny Square issue is my absolute favorite. I look forward to it every single year. And it's really cool, and you can even design for it. So if you follow them on Instagram, they let you know when you can submit designs. They give you the theme that you're supposed to stick to, and then you can design the square. You can be one of the squares that they have for the Granny Square issue, which is very exciting. Maybe I should do that next year. I don't know. Have you ever designed for it? Let me know. So to give you a little bit more of this video than just, this is Granny Square Day, have you ever heard of it? I decided that I would show you the Granny Squares I've created throughout the years in like slideshow form. I also linked some of my silly Granny Square inspired videos down below, like doing a Granny Square blindfolded, doing a really crazy challenge in 24 hours, and of course, how to make a Granny Square. So please enjoy this slideshow, and happy Granny Square Day. so much for joining me. I hope you have a very happy Granny Square Day. I'll see you Monday. Bye.